Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix battery drain on iPhone and iOS 17.0.2. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. Fix this solution. You have how to fix this problem. So some solutions you have not is any step, so you have uh, all solution you have seen and problem fixed in 100% working on iPhone. So first of all, you have reset all thing. So you have open the setting and then install, then have click on done, and then have scroll up, you have click on transfer all that, then you have click on reset and reset all settings iPhone in up, then you have on password, then problem will be fixed. Reset is done. Do not lose any data, only reset setting of iPhone. So then second solution, I've checked the view apps. You have open the again setting and then click general, then you have click on health, and you have check the then you have last charge, and then you have battery level, and then you have activity from here, then you have last week almost then you have used for app on iPhone, you have then most time use app on iPhone, you have and then until is most random issue of your iPhone of OS app, so then you have delete from your iPhone. So then other solution, go back, then from here, then other solution, use lower mode iPhone. So then again open the setting and click on battery, and then click on low power mode is turn on. Then other solution you have for restart your iPhone, so go back from here, and then you have button, volume down button, press the button when you see a on your screen, then your problem will be fixed. 5 to 10 seconds wait, then your problem 100% working. So then last solution, you have reboot your iPhone, so then you have open the setting and click on general, then you have scroll up, then you have click on shutdown, and then the light of power up, then you have 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then you have back from turn on your phone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% work, then your problem will be fixed. So battery draining issue, then the problem 100% work. So hopefully after watching this video you will know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.